Should I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So extremely happy and grateful to Mr. Amit Saurabh Loveleen, who was the psychologist with us, for this such a thoughtful and inciting and I will say enriching session that we did on the parenting. This was our first session exclusively with some heads where we talked about the fussy eater, screen time, and it is my complete joy to share. The session was very, very interactive. Parents were very comfortable in sharing their concerns. The experts were very open in giving the solutions. So I hope the session went very well, and I don't see it as the end of the road. I see it as the beginning, and I am very, very optimistic down the line. The whole idea in bringing school and parent as bringing them on a one common platform to resolve the concerns of our children, we will be able to do it. And I'm very thankful to the complete team that the session was very, very engaging, and the parents, it was a complete joy. Parent coming up and whatever was bottling up and bothering them, they were very they had such a comfort zone to share their things with them. And when they walk out of the session today, I could see that ray of hope and optimism and some solutions in their hand. So kudos to the team.
Thank you.
And I'm very sure in future we will remain connected for catering more concerns of the parent, and in the long run we will be going together.
Thank you.